So is that Western? Is it Western? Oh no.
Well, that's kind of old.
Really?
Okay.
That is,
Like
that was
20s
probably
music
more
or
like
30s music, yeah.
How about this land is my land?
Yeah, we can do that. Willie Nelson, or
Oh, David
Guthrie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then David Crocker too after that.
Well, Woody Guthrie.
Woody Guthrie.
Willie Guthrie.
Woody Guthrie, yeah.
I mean, Arlo does it, I'm sure.
It's my land. This is my
Let's see if we're- As I went walking down the highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. Saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. I rode and rambled, I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of verdant deserts. All around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. When the sun comes shining, then I was strolling, and the wheat fields waving, and the dust clouds rolling. The voice was chanting as the fog was lifting. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. When the sun comes shining, and I was strolling, and the wheat fields waving, and the dust clouds rolling. Voice from a chanting, and the fog was lifting. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me. There's some there are alternate lyrics to that aren't this nice.
I like it when he takes the lead there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shirts on the table.
Oh, okay.
Nobody living can ever stop me as I go walking that freedom highway. Living can never ever make me turn back. This land was made for you and me. Now there's something about the sign. There's something about a no trespassing sign. Remember that?
I got a nose here.
There's some protest lyrics that Woody Guthrie wrote about seeing a no trespassing sign.
Yeah.
And that wasn't in this lyric, right? I never did see Woody, but I saw
You just want me
Arlo.
to heat that up for you, go tea.